First of all, I would like to thank you, Spoken Tutorial IIT Mumbai team, because today we have awarded as a Teaching Learning Best Practices Award, and Spoken Tutorial team has been continuously supporting us and guiding us relentlessly. Samta Foundation has founded by Sri Purushottamji Agrawal. We are working in rural, semi-rural and tribal areas of Maharashtra and some tribal district of MP. Education, we have been associated with 52 schools where the students have background tribal, rural and semi-rural. Thanks to Spoken Tutorial team, because the methodology and the tutorials they have developed in a such a way that we do teach in Marathi, and then same tutorials they are learning in English also. So that is the major benefit we have received from Spoken Tutorial team, because these students are not from even Marathi background also. Currently we have 75,000 students who are learning computer literacy with the help of Spoken Tutorial. My team, like, they are from tribal background, they are going on the field and monitoring the training and certification. So till date we have taken examination and certification for more than 20,000 students. I want to mention especially about our Nashik Central Prison, where 39 inmates have been enrolled for Spoken Tutorial courses and they have passed with good marks. And we are now seeing the impact, and prisoner authority telling us that their behavior has been changed. These courses certification are helping punishments that also being reduced. Internal clashes and all these things have been reduced just because of their working on computers and taking benefit of Spoken Tutorial courses. We are very much thankful to Spoken Tutorial team for designing such a curriculum which is actually helping to the needy society. So once again, thank you so much.